How to log in into Microsoft Onedrive. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Take It Simple. In this video, I will show you guys how you can simply log in into Microsoft Onedrive. So let's get right into the video. You can log in into Microsoft Onedrive using two different methods. You can use the website version or you can also go to the Microsoft Onedrive application itself. For this video, I will show you guys how to do it on Microsoft Onedrive application. You can easily find this application on App Store or Play Store in your device. Now once the application is installed, open the application. Now it will ask you to add the email or phone number. So make sure that you have already a Microsoft account. Once you have entered your email, now click on that blue arrow. Wait for a while and it will again ask you to enter the password of that email address. Once you have entered your password, finally click that sign in button. And with that, you have successfully logged in into your Microsoft Onedrive. So that's all in this simple and easy way you can log in into your Microsoft Onedrive. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.